Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARRL Laboratory. Let's take a look at the Alinco DX10 10-meter transceiver. And here it is. Relatively compact. Band selection right here. Different segments of the band, microphone jack, your controls, a channel knob, a bunch of buttons over here, and the display is here. I'll show you more about that in just a moment. Let's spin it around the back, and here's a very sizable heatsink here. Keeps the transmitter side cool. Antenna jack, and we have here, this is where the power plug goes, and we have external speaker jack, a data jack, and what's this other little jack back here say? Oh yes, of course, the CW key. And the speaker's mounted on the bottom, and that's why I have the mobile mounting bracket on the transceiver to keep the speaker elevated off the surface. Now, let's turn it on. Here's the color display. We can change the actual color of the display by pressing this button here. Ooh, blood red, I like that. Kind of a purpley color. Pea green, lighter blue, and look at that. Now we have it on the strobe effect. Press that again, we can stop that. Your segment knob is right here. It changes what part of the band. Oh, I don't like that color. Let's change it again. That's better. Okay. A starts out at 28 megahertz exactly. Bump it up a notch to band part B, 28.3, 28.6, 9, etc. You're selecting different parts of the band. Now your other tuning is done by the channel knob. Every time I turn the channel knob, it goes up 5 kilohertz. Now if I want to tune in between, I have to use the clarifier knob. Right now it's tuning just kilohertz, but if I press it again, it can tune 10 kilohertz at a time, or press it and we have 10 hertz at a time. Keep pressing it, and that's your rate at which you can tune. A little inconvenient going between the channel knob and the clarifier knob, but you get used to it pretty quickly. Over here is the mode switch. Over here we have a PA system. Put it on CW, AM, FM, upper or lower sideband. We have automatic noise limiters, blankers, etc. And you can bump up the frequency by 10 kilohertz by pressing that button really quickly. It has a scanning feature, and you can actually turn off the LEDs if you want to save a little bit of power. All in all, a handy little 10-meter transceiver. It was fun using it in the car and a little bit during the contest. Oh yes, and look, here's the microphone that comes with it, the Alinco EMS70 with up-down buttons. One thing I really liked about the Alinco DX10 is it brought back great memories of going mobile on 10 meters. It's a great band to have amateur radio on in a car. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARRL Laboratory.